Hello, my lovely fans. It is another beautiful day as I welcome you to Menalize TV. This time around, we are going to look at this question and see how best we can solve it. As you already know, we are looking at measurement and we are taking questions under measurement, how to find the total surface area of solids. So this time around, this is the solid that we have. This is a net of a square pyramid or square base pyramid. So the question we have is, the net represents a square base pyramid. The length of the base is 1 meters, and then the height of the triangle is h is equal to y plus 2 meters. Given that the perimeter of the base of the pyramid is 32 meters, so we have to find the value of y and then the h, as well as find the total surface area of the net that we have. So stay tuned as we solve this together. So from the question, we have the base. They say the perimeter of the base is 32 meters. So we have to ask ourselves, the base, what is this base? So when you look at the base is a square. So when we have a square, we know that the square is having all the sides equal. So for us to find the perimeter of a square, this is y, and y. So for us to find the perimeter, we need to add the y plus y plus y plus y, because the perimeter is the total distance around the figure. So that means we have the y plus y plus y plus y, which is giving us 32 meters, because you're not giving the value of y. So there we can say that we have 4y, which is equal to 32 meters. So for us to find the value of y, we need to divide both sides by 4. So this by 4, this also by 4. So that means our y is equal to, so 4 will go into itself 1 and go into 32 8 times. So 8 here, so y is equal to 8 meters. So when you look at the question, we know that the h is equal to y plus 2 meters. The h is equal to y plus 2 meters. So we have our y, which is 8 centimeters. So the h is equal to y plus 2 meters. So that means our h is equal to, y is 8 centimeters. So 8 meters plus 2 meters. So h is equal to, so 8 meters plus 2 meters will give us 10 meters. For us to find the total surface area, we know that we have a square here with 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. So the area of the square plus the area of what? The 4 triangles. So when you look at this, we have a square here, which is the area of the square, area of this triangle, area of the triangle, and then area of the triangle, and then the area of the triangle. So we have 4 triangles with 1 square. So for us to find the area of a square, we use the formula, the length times the length. That is the area of what? A square. Now when you look at a triangle, to find the area of a triangle, we use the formula, half the base times what? The height. Half of the base times the height. Or the base times the height divided by 2. So here, we have the half of the base times what? The height. Since all the triangles are the same, we will calculate for 1 and then multiply it by what? By 4, since the triangles are 4. So from here we can say that when we take the square is having the length times the length plus 4 into bracket 4 into bracket half of the base times what? The height. So one may ask, where did you get the 4 from? So this 4 is representing the 4 triangles that we have. The 4 represents what? The 4 triangles what? We have there. So once we're able to find the area of one triangle, we multiply it what? By 4. So let's see what we have. So from the question, the length of the square is 8 centimeters. Then the base of the triangle The base of the triangle is also what? 8 centimeters. Because the triangle is sitting on this. So if the length here is 8, that means the triangle is also having the base as what? 8 centimeters. So the base is 8 centimeters and the height is 10 meters. Not centimeters, they're all in meters, not centimeters. So 8 meters, the base is also 8 meters and the height is what? 10 meters. As well as the length, which is 8 meters. So now let's find the total surface area. So for the square we have 8 meters times what? 8 meters. Then plus 4 into bracket, half of 8 meters times what? 10 meters. So the 8 times the 8 will give us 64 meters square. That is the area of the square. Plus, so here, these two going to self 1 and going to 8 4 times. So the 4 times the 10 will give us 40. So 40 meters square. Then we have 64 meters squared plus then 40 times 4. 40 times 4 will give us what? 160. So we have 160 meters squared. So from there, 64 plus 160 meters squared will surely give us 224 meters squared. So this 224 meters square is the total surface area of the figure that we have here. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Remember to subscribe to this channel, Menalize TV, for more updates. Menalize TV, when the sun rises. Thanks so much.